Papilan ako sa CR eh. Praying bell.
What do we need? We don't have RF, RTS. We have our FY. We have J, that's a constant, so we need that. C is equals to 1 for doubly symmetric sections, like your white section. So that is automatic 1.
Pag single version.
1 yung value if doubly symmetric. Okay, and SX we will compute. That's your section modulus as of napahon. So you call your stress, flexural stress, you have your M, C over I. So not only each flat, you have your M over S. So that is basically S is equals to I over C. C is basically D over 2. Ay, pamalas na. Neutral axis naman na half. No? So this is the advantage of steel, no? Because di na po si ibang kahon na neutral axis. So may braman siya regardless kung ipagkwenta siya. So what else? HO is a constant, so we will need that one. This is a function of your shear center. Again, we will not compute the shear center in this discussion, so we will use the table for that. What else do we need? Okay, that's it. We need our G first. What's RDS, by the way? The RDS is
Square root of I, CW over...
the equations RDS.
Tama ba? Over SX.
Wow.
IY times CW.
Square pa nila ito. Tapos naka-square lang siya. So you have your square root of IY. Tapos multiplied by your warping constant. That's your CW. So we will need our CW here. That's also a constant. Okay, so do we need CW? Kina is CW at W21 by 44.
Times 10 to the power of 9.
Tapos unit is
MM4.
MM4 or 6? Kila MM6? Kila 6 na? Unit. Pag MM ko na 6, so then pag-i-confirm sa database. Okay, so we have here IY at
Ay, ang paano pa yun?
unit. MM ko na 6 na na.
6.
Okay. So IY there is so ano to? 8.62 times 10 to the 6. Let's include the units for now. So that although sure man lang mura radius man siya, so that's in millimeters. But let's just try to have unit analysis para tamawagan. CW is 567 times 10 to the 9 of mm to the power of 6, and then you have the square root. And then SX is ganito. I over C. No? So over 2. So that's 2. Ito na lang isulat. So 526 over 2. Okay.
My goodness.
And then, square root the entire thing back. Later na lang siguro. How much is this? I will rewrite lang this one. Okay, you will take it out. So you will have d over 2, no? So times 2 over 5 to 6. That's later na natin scale. So what do we have? We have okay, hindi siya kaya mahimong 10. No?
1.122 times 10 to the power 7. Pero wala pa niya siya.
Nakuha pa na square root. 1.22 times 10 to the power of
7.
7. And then yung square root anak.
3.49.
Di man is square na. Alala natin. RTS is equals to
3.49 times 10 to the power
3.49
times 10 to the power.
na. 3.
Hindi man hapa.
Ay, dili.
Dili ba IY ang pa-answer? Kanang sa 8 point.
IY.
IY.
This is IX. Okay, mali ang answer. SX man yun, no? So, they should be IX over C, no? So, hindi siya, we need IX also. It's IX.
351.
350.
Ito na lang din siya resolve.
Nagkamat error.
This is equal to pila to?
351.
351.
Yes, sir.
Times 10 to the so, kung i-solve separate yan, natin siya magdapong din. So, we have 51. We have to solve this individually po rin, no? Because breakdown sa points na ba kay Van. Naka-scatter siya sa tanang sulpon. So, wala lang i-solve na lang siya separate.
Okay, sir.
Times 6 over D. 526. So, we should have ilan? One, three something.
1.33, sir.
Times.
Isa pwede duman ba yun?
Hindi siya pwede
Times 10 to
naman.
the power 6.
Ay, no.
Ilan? 1 point.
1.33.
33 times 10 to the power of 6. Okay. This is mm cube. Okay, so this one is x. So we have here, let's redo this one. 40 something.
Ay, sino ka kayo? Hindi siya pwede ito kayo yun.
Forty point 77 millimeters. Okay, so we have our RS, HO, we will need J, how's J? What's J?
Perfect, hindi na kami libog sa Pamela.
I'm not sure. Okay. So I think we have everything that we need for LR. So let's continue here.
Nakuha lang niya. Sir, mausa na sa kami niyo.
So substitute.
1.5.
Verify the answer if it's somewhere around light and answer because may discrepancy sa values. But we should have around
Kailan yung F5? 345 girl ba? Girl ba?
39 something.
345.
3956. Pakipon sa calculator. It's somewhere there, so it's not fixed na. Yeah.
Grabe naman.
560. Hindi siya makaikot. Square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus 6.1 plus 6.76 times madigit siya maikot 0.7 lawa na ko.
Tagsa-tagsaan mo yun.
Wait lang dyan. Wait lang sir. 1.95 times 45. Ano yun sa 1.95 times 40.77? Ano tagsa-tagsaon? Ako na lang yung tagsa-tagsa.
Pag times si Wani, times na bagay mo. Square times na bagay mo, square.
Ay, times ra. Division
Kasi hindi mag-break.
times square root ay 400
Basta.
over 0.7
2 minutes left.
Ay, sorry. Sir, pwede maglupad na lang. Times
Ano yan? 3972. Sige, it's a delete point something.
Uy, nawala na po. Hanap ito.
Wala na.
Na-lost na ko. Ano na, lost na ko yung bala kanina. 40, 40. Mm.
39.
Oh. Manang sa
3972 daw. That's using our values.
Super. Check ka saan yung nagpadulong. Saan na eh? Naku.
Ika na is tagsa-tagsa.
0.7.
In memory. Ilan na sa memory na ba?
828.16. Ito sunod. Square root. Oh. Ito lang J.
Namoy ABC o XY.
Times 1.
Tama na F.
1.33. 9 times 10.
So,
500.
ini siya kay... ini una ba? Okay.
02.
Ini na yun. Memory D. Ini siya si...
Saan ko dyan? Square root na? Square root. 1 plus square root.
Multiply tayo.
Square root 1 plus square root 1 plus
Make sure
6.7.
na naka-clear ang memory before you're going to input sa value sa
0.7 times 345 over
kabalo ang memory. Diba? Ha?
times
Saan ba? I-input yung
S.
memory. Sa memory sa store. Tapos,
Square
inilagay
I
siya
over
kay
30
ini siya kay sa C.
10 to the power of 6.
Ini
Times.
is the
516 over
so na
ilang J? 320 times 10 to the power of 6
yun sa ano
times 1.
Squared pa dali sa class.
agi
Close?
agi potol ni mo pwede rin yan okay puro man sa
Ano ba?
isang multiplication pwede na siya
2.79.
so in this case you have your
Times
so you should do something like this, no? You have your 1, 3,
0.025.
1, 3, 5, 3,
Audit ay ta.
15 is less than your unbraced length, which is 27. Pero si unbraced length is still less than your LR, no? Which is 3972.39. So therefore, this is under.
Layo kayo uy. 39.
Okay. And because it is zone 2, your MN is equals to CB times
Ano na?
CB
Saan man ito?
times MB
Wala pa. Ata exam.
minus 180 MB minus 0.7 of your FYSX times the ratio of your basement versus may tawag ka ng R. It's LB
Na-exponent ang 2.
over
Pinakalas.
LR minus LB. Okay. but the entire thing should not be greater than your fx of fy cx, which is your mp. Okay, so this is our limiting value. So if ever the computed value here for the mn zone 2 is greater than this one, so this will be this will prevail. So we will use this one in the computation of our design lectural step. That's right. We don't have MP yet, so we will compute. We have we need our what? A. We have our A. We need our A. A nga small letter. So for MP, we need our small a, which is this is W21 over W21 by 44. So the half section of that is WP 10.5 by 22.
Ano? 3.
So ang y bar is equals to,
Banakan.
look at the y bar for, I mean the y. Lagi din mga example last.
75.7.
Isay ba ito? Pwede yung
Also, WP 10.5 by 22.
nakarelay. So pila ito?
Ay, 75.7, sir.
75.7 millimeters. So okay, I'll just have a recap for our combination of A. We have our stress diagram for our plastic moment. We have there. So this will be in tension, everything here. And then everything here will be in compression. Okay, so C, E, and then in the middle of this is the centroid of the compression block. And in the middle of here is the centroid of the tension block. Okay, so this distance here between these two centroids is your A. So basically, if that is a half section, I'm a wide cut section. Okay, so you will have there this one. Okay, so half of that, again on half because it passes through the neutral axis. So this will now become a WT, no? So W section. So central of that is here. And then so in our figure for W 21 by 44, or its half, which is 10.5 by 22, y is equals to 75.4. 75.7. And then the other side, we have also 75.7. So we're looking for this. This is D of your section. So we have there D minus 2 times y of your WT section. Ako ay noting WT. So we have there D was D. D is 526 minus 2 times 75.7. So you will have A equals to ilan?
74.6.
74.6 millimeter. And then for CX, we will have area over 2 times your A, which is equals to ilan na siya? 1/2 of 8090 times 374.6 equals
1 million, sir.
Okay. Times 10 ay sign out na lang.
1.57
1 point.
times 10 to the power of 6. 57, sir.
1.7 times 10 to the
6.
6 mm. Section modulus man eh, it's always naka-cube. That's the section modulus. It's either elastic or the plastic. It's mm cube. We can also for our MP.
Kaya Joy, paasa na kami ng
MP is equals to Fy Cx. You have your 345 kilograms per square millimeter
May J o JC.
times 1.37
Ang C.
times 10 to the 6 of mm cube. And then you convert that to what? To kN. You divide that to 1,000 square. Ilan siya in kN?
541.65.
541.65 kN na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, kN. That's our MP, no? So this is our limiting value here. So 541.65. I think we have everything we need. Direct SX. We also have this. So importante yun na mag-solve na yapon to LR. No? So akin na yapon yung choice. So dapat yung tiwasod doon yung solve kanina. Isa rin nakasolve. Okay. So ibig siya tiwasod. Nakasolve pero mali.
36 ra, sir. 3,600 ra ka pin.
3,600 again. Adugang 300 ka pin. Para na
Asa ka to gipadulong.
Okay, so mag-solve na yan kung LR. So wala yun yung choice.
Boy takas.
CB is 1 for now. Kaya na, kung karoon, this is for now. We have an equation for CB. Ever you will be given you will be given a structure, no? So you have beam the track. So MN. Kapag sa solve, MN should be around
Ay, sir, always pa lang one ang skill, sir. Ay, ganito, sir.
nana sa value later. For now, nana siya 1. Ang always na 1 for doubly symmetric is kinisi
Ilang LB?
small c. Okay.
2,700 po. Minus. Bilang LB? 1,358.15. Over LR na 3,972. 39.
Ed.
With Sanjel. Tuloy ko, B. LB, tuloy ko, B.
Hindi na
With
kapag
Sa. 1,358.8. Ang mali, uy. Kaya divide na 1,000.
Ito example din sa zone 3. Palayo din na lang zone 3.
No. Ano ko, ano mo? Ano? Ha? Ano? 0.3. 817. Sa tanong.
MN should be around 427.
Divide ko, ang gulo ni 1,000. Divide ba ni 1,000 squared? 1,000 squared ba?
Subject to change.
1,000 squared ba? Ah. MN. Dapat PNM man. Pila kay 1,000 lang.
Tagna-tagna na lang.
Na, 0 point rapot. Daw ilayo pa kayo. Sir, 0.